Who says comfort food has to be loaded with meat, butter, and cheese? Today, I'm flipping some of your all-time favorites. Welcome back to Hungry Republic, where delicious meets plant-based. If you love hearty, nostalgic meals that warm your soul,
stick around, because I'm about to show you how to turn comfort food classics into vegan magic, into plant-based masterpieces. First up, vegan mac and cheese. Forget the blue box. We are talking creamy, dreamy, cheesy pasta without a single drop of dairy. The secret?
A velvety sauce made with soaked cashews, roasted garlic, and nutritional yeast for that cheesy kick. Look at that melt. Next, crispy fried chicken without the chicken. I'm using oyster mushrooms for that meaty bite, seasoned to perfection, battered, and fried until golden brown. Pair this with mashed potatoes and gravy, and you've got a Sunday dinner vibe that even your non-vegan friends will crave. That crunch, pure happiness.
And finally, a cozy vegan shepherd's pie. Instead of ground beef, I'm using lentils and mushrooms, simmered in a rich gravy. Then we layer it with creamy mashed potatoes, bake it, and boom, you have got a hearty dish that tastes like a hug in every bite. This one never lasts long in my house. See? Comfort food doesn't need meat or dairy to hit the spot. These plant-based twists are just as filling, flavorful, and soul-warming as the originals.
Which one are you trying first? Mac and cheese, fried chicken, or shepherd's pie? Let me know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more quick vegan meals.